Mercedes came to Mactec Enterprises. This video shows the process of painting brake calipers on a Mercedes. The video explains the benefits of removing the calipers from the car for painting, highlighting the importance of thorough cleaning and preparation. The video also discusses the cost of high-quality paint and the steps involved in applying a multi-stage paint job. Whether you're looking to upgrade your car's look or protect critical components, Mactec Enterprises is committed to providing meticulous, high-quality service every time. Contact us today and let us transform your ride with our expert brake caliper painting services.